Hello everyone! Today I'm going to unbox a brand new 3D printer, IME 3D Xmaker, which they claim is the world's first affordable 3D printer for both kids and adults. Now, let's get more detail. Please check the accessories after unboxing. In the box, you are gonna have a 3D printer, a base plate, a power cord, filament holder, PLA filaments, pliers, toolkit, and a quick guide. First, power on. Plug the power cord to the printer and the other end to a power outlet. Turn on the printer using the power switch at the back, then you can perform the setup steps. Choose your preferred language, English or Chinese. Then connect your printer to Wi-Fi just by entering the password. When Wi-Fi setup is finished, IP address of the 3D printer will be shown on the touchscreen. You can also scan QR codes for download and more explorations. After the welcome setup, let's make preparations before printing. To load the filament, install the filament holder on the printer and put the filament spool on it. Use pliers to cut the end of the filament into an oblique tip. Use this gesture to insert the tip into the filament inlet until the pre-feeder grabs the material. Then, use the touchscreen to click filament, load, and wait for the nozzle to heat up. You can also adjust the temperature by clicking the button at the top right corner. When the nozzle reaches target temperature, filament will be loaded automatically. Now Xmaker 3D printer is ready. Go and start your creative 3D printing journey. Insert the matching UDISC into the USB port and you can see various 3D model files. Let's print a glass holder. Start the print job just by clicking the Start button. Remember to close the door of the printer. You can go to Setting, Control to turn on or turn off the lights inside or outside using the touchscreen. When the model is finished, you will hear the beep. Take out the base plate and the print after they have cooled down. It's really easy to remove the printed model from the flexible base plate. Then put the base plate back. Ensure that the base plate is clean and aligned with the heating platform. Finally, remove the support structure of the print using your hands or pliers. Don't forget to turn off the printer after printing. Then unload the filament. To do this, click Filament, Unload, and wait for the nozzle to heat up. When heating is done, the filament will be unloaded automatically. Use this gesture to gently pull out the filament. Open filaments must be stored in a cool and dry place when not in use. For more gameplay, please watch the video Get Started with Xmaker app.